Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to edit a saved cycle on the Flex 12. How to edit a saved cycle on the Flex 12. Saved cycles put a set time, speed, and braking into your centrifuge's memory. Your Flex 12 arrives with 3 of them pre-programmed: Chem, Coag, and Custom. But what if you update your processes and need to change a previously saved cycle? Editing a saved cycle allows you to change speed, time, and brake settings. Changing the name of your saved cycle is a different process. A link to the video for that is on your screen now. We're going to be editing our saved cycle from 5,000 RPM to 5,200 RPM, 3 minutes to 2 minutes, and brake of 6 to brake of 9. You can use the same process to edit any of these parameters to your specifications. And you don't need to edit all of them if you don't want to. As a quick reminder, your Flex 12 has all of its controls right here on the front panel. Today, we're going to use all these buttons. We're going to start by selecting the saved cycle we want to edit. Hit the cycle button until the name of the cycle you want to edit displays in the RPM screen. Your centrifuge will alternate, showing the RPM value and the cycle name. With the cycle you want to edit selected, press and hold the cycle button. You'll hear a double beep, and the cycle number next to the cycle button will begin flashing. That beep and flashing number means you're in edit mode. Adjust your RPM and time values using the up and down arrow buttons next to each screen. The RPM and time shown will adjust as you increase or decrease with each button press. Remember, if you accidentally go over your desired value, you can always use the down arrow button to adjust. You can press the RCF XG button to adjust speed in G-force instead of RPM. If you just want to edit the RPM and time values, you can press the cycle button to save and exit edit mode. You can check the new settings by pressing the cycle button until the name of your preset cycle shows in the RPM screen. The name of your preset cycle will alternate with the RPM value. To edit the brake value as well, once your time and RPM values are adjusted, press the menu button to enter the advanced menu. Various advanced menu options are now shown in the RPM screen. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the RPM screen to scroll through the options until brake is displayed in the RPM screen. Use the up and down arrow buttons next to the time display to adjust the brake value. A brake value of 0 means no braking during the deceleration process, and the brake value of 9 means maximum braking during deceleration. Once your brake value is set, you can press the menu button to resume editing your RPM and time values. Once you're finished editing, press the cycle button to save and exit edit mode. Your preset has now been edited. You can check the new settings by pressing the cycle button until your new preset's name shows in the RPM screen. The RPM screen will alternate between showing the selected cycle name and that cycle's programmed RPM value. Now you're ready to spin. Press Stop Unlock to unlock the centrifuge. Load your tubes and close the lid. Turn the lid latch a quarter turn clockwise to secure. Next, press the Start button. The centrifuge will automatically lock and the rotor will begin to spin, accelerating until it reaches your selected cycle's RPM. During the run, the cycle name will alternate with the RPM in the RPM screen. The centrifuge will run for your chosen cycle's time. You can see time remaining on the time screen. Once the run is complete, the centrifuge will begin to slow down, applying the rotor brake at the level you selected for your cycle. When the rotor is fully stopped, the centrifuge will beep and the lid lights will flash to let you know it's done. The centrifuge will automatically unlock. Turn the lid latch a quarter turn counterclockwise and then lift the lid to retrieve your samples. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you can contact Drucker Customer Service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.